A man without a purpose is like a ship without a rudder, right? It's amazing how little time people spend thinking about their purpose, similar to the way the rudder is a very small part of a ship, but ultimately the rudder actually, well, got ahead of myself. The rudder actually directs the ship, and that is very similar to what a purpose can do. My rudder here is my family here. You can see my dad on the left-hand side didn't come from a lot, but worked his ass off, actually a real estate agent down on 30A, if you're familiar with Florida. And he was able to provide an amazing lifestyle for me and my brothers all across the top. And ultimately, I want to do the same for my family one day. No kids yet, but one day. And a purpose isn't without a set of values, right? So one of the reasons why I enjoy working here at Chime so much is because we have our own set of values, and these really drive our business. It's how we hire people. When we interview people, we have our checklist of core values, and we want to make sure that these people that we hire and subsequently fire either meet the checklist or don't. And my favorite is that we pursue constant improvement. We really are here to be innovators and game changers in the real estate space. And we can't do that without constant improvement, which to give you some evidence to that, we actually roll out a new product update once a month. So our product is improved once a month. It's actually a little more than that, about every 3 weeks, so 14 times a year.